Tuesday at 11.
Until unknown. At 3:03 a.m. West Daylight Time, a 12.9-foot tall tsunami was located near Matsui, Japan. That caused a 8.9 earthquake near the center of the coast of Japan. The tsunami is supposed to reach Napa in 5 minutes, Los Angeles in 10 minutes, Santa Clara at 12 minutes, and the whole coast of California at 45 minutes, and finally Hawaii. In 2 hours, please take these necessities: food, water, clothing, driver's license, bachelor's degree,